Om Veera Hanumanama. If be God with us, who can be against us? We can do all things through God, which strengthen us. Before starting the daily prayer, one small motivational story about we get back in life what we give to others. About this, a small motivational story. There was a farmer who sold a pound of butter to a baker daily. One day the baker decided to weigh the butter to see if he was getting a pound and found that he was not. That angered him and he took the farmer to court. The judge asked the farmer how he was measuring the butter he was selling. The farmer replied, "Your Honor, I am primitive. I don't have a proper measure, but I do have a scale." The judge asked, "Then how do you weigh the butter?" The farmer replied, "Your Honor, long before the baker started buying butter from me, I have been buying a pound loaf of bread from him. Every day when the baker brings the bread, I put it on the scale, give him the same weight of the butter. If anyone to be blamed, it is the baker only." Judge got surprise. So we get back in life what we give it to others. So good or bad, let us give always good to others so that good will come back to us. Thank you. So let us continue the daily prayer. Today daily prayer. Om Veera Hanuman Nama, 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 Om Veera Hanuman Nama. If be God with us, who can be against us? We can do all things through God which strengthen us. Om Veera Hanuman Nama.